Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mike back with you. It is a beautiful Saturday here in Washington State. I think it's Saturday at least. What I'm doing today is I'm gonna give my car its first real wash. And this is a SiO2 auto wash. It's made for washing cars with ceramic coatings. So I haven't used this product before. This video isn't sponsored by it or anything like that. It's just something I reviewed online and decided to give it a try. But yeah, it's engineered for coatings, ceramic coatings, and I'm going to be doing the 2 bucket method here. Stuff smells really good, actually. It smells like watermelon, but I mean, that's neither here nor there. And the video today isn't on the wash itself. I'm just showing it to you because I don't know, I'm a little excited, I guess. Anyway, if you watched the delivery video I made and the quick little build quality inspection, that's one of my gripes was how the hatchback kind of aligned here at the seams. Not so much on the passenger side, but it was on the driver's side. Just a little bit offset here. The hatch itself is raised up over the rear frame here. A little bit of definitely a gap there. So on the other side, it's flush. Okay. So this is nice and flush, nice and even. And I'm not too sure if it's the same on the Model 3. I never drove a Model 3. I never really even got to look at one up close. But much like the frunk, the hatchback of the Model Y has these little feet here, right? There's 4 of them. And just like the frunk, you can adjust them. So that's what I went ahead and did. You see they align with these little pads here, these little nubs. And I just adjusted it. So on this one, since my issue was down here, I tightened this one as much as I could go. And on the other side, I loosened it just a little bit so that it would offset the other side. For these 2 in the middle, I didn't really have a need to adjust them. I'll show you here. Yeah, I didn't have a need to adjust them because the fit and the gaps down on the hatchback down here were perfect. And they still are after adjusting it. So I've already made the adjustment. My issue was here, the hatchback on the driver's side, it sat up higher than the rear panel here, so it wasn't flush, whereas the passenger side was perfectly flush. So now I've made the adjustments and it's flush on both sides. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that. If you have a similar issue with your Model Y, then that's a quick fix, something you don't have to bring into the service center to have them do. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update on that. I'm going to go ahead and wash this car because, as you can see, you bring it outside for 5 minutes and there's pollen all over the place. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon.